Good. Hey guys, this is Jason Guyman with First Choice Services here. I was going to show you a little tip on what we use. We put a hose out of the bottom of our water tank right here. We tee them off of every water tank. So this one here will go over to the pump, and this one here comes to a nice little shut-off valve. And the reason why we have this shut-off valve is we use chemicals, flat out chemicals. And the purpose of it is we had, I was doing a job before I started putting them on there. My nephew was actually, he had got a little soap in his eye, not in his eye, on his skin. So what he do, he takes the pressure washer, the high power gun, and takes it on his arm. Well, now he had two problems. Now he was getting chemical burn, and he had just rawed that skin up. So purpose of this is so you can go back to the truck, know it is a safe place to rinse your eyes out, get it off your skin anytime. I mean, it's clean water, it's coming out of the water source. We don't have no chemicals able to get into this tank, and that's why we use this tank. But I do it to wash your hands, if you get any little you get grass on your hands when you're rolling up the hose, you can go over and rinse it off. But the biggest thing is safety. If you get something in your eye, get it on your skin, sodium hypochlorite down in your boot, if you're doing roof cleaning and it gets broken hose, anything, that's why we have this hose, and I use it all the time, so it's a great thing to have. But I'm just giving you a little safety heads up there. Just hope you have an awesome day. Hope you're getting jobs done. So have an awesome day, and thank you. Have a great day. Bye.